Hey everyone, Dion here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the KableCARD KC7 by CardTech, an ultra-compact charging and accessory kit for your mobile phone. The KableCARD was successfully kickstarted in 2018. Currently, it's for sale on Amazon and on the CardTech website for about 36 bucks. I received one as a gift from a friend for Christmas in 2020, and I have to say, I'm a little bit sad I didn't find this thing when it first came out, because I'm sure it would have come in handy quite a few times over the last couple of years. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this thing opened. If we pick it up here, you can see this little rubber tab here on the side. If we just kind of hold it and push, it pops right open, and when we open it up here, we can see all the parts it's got inside. So if you look, we've got a kind of a USB-C cable that snakes around here. It's just under a foot long. We've got a micro USB adapter, so it's USB-C to micro USB. We've got a lightning adapter, which is also USB-C to lightning. Here at the back, we've got a USB-C to USB-A adapter. Here we've got a SIM card removal tool. And then if you look on this side, we've got 2 slots for nano SIM cards. And then one really cool feature is, if you look right here, this is an SD card slot. And if we take this and we remove the USB-C cable here, if you put a micro SD card in there, plug this into your computer, now this is a card reader, which I thought was pretty cool. Here in the middle, you can see we've got 3 LED lights. And if we take this, we're gonna grab the USB-A adapter here from the back. And if I plug that in and I grab my trusty Anchor battery over here, we can flip these LEDs on. We've got a low and a high, so you've got yourself a reading light while you're traveling, or yeah, just a flashlight if you need a light somewhere. But that is pretty cool. And last but not least, if you flip this sucker over and put it down here, and I grab my phone, well, if I touch that on the back there, you can see that we are getting charging. So this thing has a wireless charger built in, which also is pretty cool. And if we pop this open again, and we pop out this little flap here on the bottom, now we have got a little phone holder. So if we slide that over and we slide our phone down in there, it will actually wirelessly charge your phone while it's sitting in this. But I don't think it charges quite fast enough to keep your phone charged, like while you're watching a video or something. And so it's probably better just to plug a charger directly into your phone. But yeah, I thought that was kind of a nice little feature there. Anyway, you can see how this packs back up. Let me just pull that out, pull the adapter off here, pop it open. We will slide the USB-A adapter back in here. We can slide this cable around. And yeah, that is it. Quite the handy little tool. And I mean, it's teeny, look at that. It's maybe the size of like 4 or 5 credit cards stacked on each other. I think this thing is awesome. I've been using the KableCARD in my tech bag since I got it. Now let's take just a minute to go over the pros and cons that I've come across while I've been using it. So the pros, it's got all the cables you're gonna need to charge any current phone. It's ultra compact and portable, and I think the SD card reader is kind of a cool bonus. And I also feel like the quality's pretty good. Now, on to the cons. I feel like the USB-C cable is a little bit short. I mean, Longer would have been better, but I don't think it would have been as compact as it is had they put a longer cable in it. Next, it does require a little bit of fingernail digging, as you saw when I was trying to take it apart. And that, I mean, that can get a little bit annoying, but I mean, if you're in a bind, I don't think you're gonna have a problem digging for an adapter. And then lastly, I kind of wish it had an LED light on the outside of the case rather than on the inside. I mean, it's nice to have the reading light or like a light to put on your nightstand, but I think a flashlight would have been more valuable. I do have to admit that I really like the KableCARD. I think this thing should be in everybody's bag. I'm not saying it should be your, main charger setup or whatever, but it will absolutely save you in a bind. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you think you could use something like the KableCARD in your everyday carry bag? Leave a comment and let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And also, is this the only thing out there like the KableCARD, or is there something better? I am definitely open to suggestions. Anyway, that's all I've got for you today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, it would be awesome if you hit like below. And if you'd like to see more content like this, please subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon. I received one as a gift from a friend. No. And currently it's on for sale. Now, let's take just a minute to go over the